here in the Menominee Park, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. We got Jason helping today. We got Darius helping. You guys have a good time?
Yeah.
What was the coolest thing you found today?
Garbage. I didn't want to pick it up, but I found an insulin needle in the water.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, good job. And the good thing you cleaned it up because there's a children's amusement park right here. And there's a train station kind of thing there. So good job picking that up. Got all this trash picked up today. All that in there. I was in the water. Got a lot of trash and bottles. I laid all the stuff out that we got today. You got to check it out. Found all these cans underwater. Some plastic. This chunk of metal here. Found this magnet under the bridge. Pretty big magnet. This little thing, whatever that is. Artificial baits here. Some more lures. My first ever harmonica right here. I play harmonica. Piece of a cell phone. Whatever that stuff is. A hanger, ball. Got some old bottles. This one says Coca-Cola and from Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Pretty cool. Another big Coke bottle there. Another Coke bottle here. Some other random bottles. This one says Uptown. This one says Jick Jack. This is what Jason and Darius pulled off the shores. That is a lot of trash they cleaned up. They did an awesome job. A lot of trash they picked up. Found somebody's underwear in the water. This cool rock right here. Got some cool little stuff in there. Sunglasses, this little pliers here. An Evinrude motor. Found it just like this. I don't know where the bottom's at, but got that out. There's gasoline in here still, so I'm glad I got it out of the water. It was an awesome time. Can't wait to go back someday. There's so many other places to go to that I'll find cool stuff like this, get the trash out. Definitely a good day, good workout. Kind of want to see if this thing still works. Do I put my lips on it? Nope, doesn't work. This one works.